Hi everybody, it's Martin from Branco Customs here, and I just wanted to show you this knife I've recently completed. This is a Warthog Tusk, rather large one. It's about a 13-inch tusk that I started with, and the black sections are buffalo horn with stainless steel bolster and stainless steel liners and pins. And this one, the blade material, is a new one to me, which is called Elmax. Now, it's an extremely good steel. It's got outstanding edge retention properties. If you ever care to look it up, you'll see it's quite up close to the very top of the list, with the exception that this one is actually still sharpenable by humans without amazing machines. So the guy that's purchased this one, he skins about 100 deer per year, so it's going to see a lot of use, and it's going to be a good working tool.